Panag-dead ball. 2 points by Brian. Two boys, five. Kuya Maito. Foul call here. Ano ah? Oh, wait lang. 6 foul, rep. 6? Okay, 6 foul. Linya! Linya! Tupol. Sabasa kalusugan yan, boy. Kulot. Bang! 2 points by JP Kulot. Julius pass to number 18. 2 points by number 18. 5! Boom! 2 points by Manohan. Chase 5, 2 points by Kuya Maiton. Oh, okay. 4-3 by Karel. Chamba. 2 points by number 23. 15. Turnover. Number 23. Pasa kay Tolentino. 2 points.
Ang sikip!
Pinasa number 95, Tolentino. 2 points by Tolentino. Foul counted. Foul. Kuya Maiton. Foul. 2 points by Kuya Maiton. 2 points by number 18. Mike, lumilipad na. Teto shoot. 2 points by JP Kulot. Maki. 2 points by Paroa. Lalen. 2 points by Lalen. Oops, turnover. Baroa libre. 2 points by Baroa. Teto shoot. 2 points by Kulot. 2 points. Walang defense. Natabik ng kalaban. Natabik ng kalaban.
Hingin nyo!
2 points. Teto shoot. 2 points.
Oh!
2 points. Beto tamat. Rasta libre. 2 points. Hababag. 3-point attempt. Grabe. 2 points. Wala. 2 points. 15 seconds. 2 points by Kulot. Miss. 2 points. Grabe naman nyo si Kulot. JP Kulot. Alexi nito. Foul by Mandokan. Allen. 2 Maiton, pull up. 2 points para kay Maiton.
Grabe ang late.
Lasarte, 3-point attempt. Brian. Grabe naman yun. 2 points by number 18. Relax lang. 2 points by Baroka.
Tommy? Dot, ang dami mo na naman sinasabi.
Kuya Maui, turnover. Good job. Pag walang tawag, foul counted. Darren. Foul.
Walang tubig, tinago sa amin. Hoy!
Bonifacio pasa kay number 14, 2 points, pinaktak.
Puta, sinususi mo pa!
Sige dyan, boy.
Pare-ari sila, magkawin kami na.
Pasok.
Dependent kami ah.
Miss.
Nice one.
The boys by Darren. Wow, 3 points by Habawag. 2 points by Kevin. Steal by Rasta. 2 points by Rasta. Red. Technical by number 10.
Number 10, technical contest ng 30.
Okay, technical si Rasta. Miss.
Dito mama.
2 points. Last 1 minute. Miss. Rebound ni Kababag. Up! 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 Relax lang. Relax lang tayo. Kitang-kita naman sa video yan, guys. Walang makapagsinungaling sa atin.
Ah, baka may tamaan.
Ah! Looks. Steal by Darrell. Darrell pinasakira. 2 points. Malinaw na malinaw. Counted tayo. 15. Ganda ng pasa, 2 boys. Pasok. 10. 2 boys.
Wala pang dead yun. Hindi naman dead. Bawal kasi sa atin.
Steal. Kaya na, mabilisan. 2 boys. Wala pang dead ball. Wala pang dead ball.
Ito na lang pre. Go, tuklaw!
10 guys. 10 lamang. 13 ang lamang. Wala pa pang dead ball.
Ato ba? Ato.
Good.
Sabi ni Ronald Cole.
Subdivision. Wow. 3 points by Monggaya Eddie. Take a shoot. Bang. 2 points by number 18. 5 minutes. Pasok. 2 points by... Oh, sub. Subdivision.
Tinamaan, hindi sumaka.
Sub. Basta. Pinasa kay Hababag. Uy! 2 points by Joker. Sopa. Good. Walang tawag sa ref. 2 points by number 14. 5. 2 points by number 18. Wow! 3 points by Hababa. 2 points. Pinasa. 2 points. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Last 1 minute. 2 points. 55 seconds.
Bang.
Foul. Sopa. Good. 5. 2 points by Kevin. Okay, counted with tres. Tambahan yan guys, don't worry, may pag-asa pa yan. Nice game. Warm up, next game, 5 minutes, then ano na. Picture tayo ng best player, tsaka